Okay, thanks for popping into my channel. Why is crypto and XRP down today? We're going to get into it right now. So, overall market is down 1.98%. This is coin market cap. Bitcoin, the 24 hours down 1%. Ethereum down 3%. XRP is down 5%. So let's just look at XRP. The 24-hour volume is up, which usually when there's big moves like this in selling, it's going to be up a little bit. It's going to be elevated, but it's up 25%. Market cap is down, 5%. You see it's kind of come back out of this kind of uptrend we were in, and it was showing some bullishness, and it came back retest, and it's coming maybe to retest that line, or just come right back down and consolidate. But there's some support down here around, obviously, like the $2 mark, and a little bit of probably the 210, if I can get that. Let's see, 212, yeah. So there's some support down there that's coming back down. But yeah, it's just overall market is down. It's not just an XRP thing. Bitcoin is down, Ethereum, everything. Let's just refresh to see. Overall market, 1.98%. And the reason why, and maybe you know this, maybe you don't, this is a Market Watch. So what came out yesterday, Tuesday, was consumer confidence, and it is at a 5-year low. So back in May of 2020 during COVID, consumer confidence sinks for 5th month in a row to lowest since May 2020. So people are worried about, recession, the economy, this, that, and the other. And, where it is granted, and it is good to be cautious that, right now it is, a good thing to be cautious, and stuff with tariffs talk and this, that, and the other. Like, we don't know what's going on. That's the point. But it is a lot of uncertainty and a lot of, fear and stuff. So where it is good to be cautious, I think for it to be a 5-year low, like we're back in COVID, is maybe a little dramatic. And that's just me. But yeah, so we are at a 5-year low, and then even the GDP came in lower than expected, because they were forecasting 0.4%. It came in negative 0.3%. So GDP shrinks for first time in 3 years as Trump tariffs trigger record trade deficit. Tip of the iceberg? Question mark. So yeah, that is the simple answer, is stuff in the market, which crypto still follows pretty closely. It will deviate every once in a while, and it's slowly, starting to become its own thing as it becomes more widely accepted and more adoption and this, that, and the other, and over the years. But right now, it still kind of moves with the market, and it's still seen as a riskier asset. So when the market dips and stuff like this, and some fear with any of these reports come out, you'll see it hit crypto too. And that's what we're seeing is consumer confidence is down, a 5-year low. GDP is down, what did it say, a 3-year. Shrinks for first time in 3 years. Yeah. So, excuse me. Again, I would love to talk about something other than tariffs every time the market is red, but that is just where we are. And it's down a little bit. XRP, out of the top 3, which is for me Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, is down the most, at 5%. And let's see. Let's just go to Trading View and look at the chart real quick. Yeah. So still rejecting that 0.5. coming down to, retest the EMA, and it's showing a little support. Can't say that it's going to be strong support. Maybe, I don't know, we could get a bounce off, but it might come back down, test the 0.618. And if it breaks below that, then we're back down into this kind of downtrend. That will, we kind of broke above, but now we're kind of retracing back. So we will see. I mean, obviously there's support down around, like the $2 mark, the psychological area of support. I mean, there was even a little bit at the 210, 212, and then obviously down here if it broke below the 2. But I don't really see that happening. Again, I have no idea, so we'll just have to wait and see. But that is what's going on. Yes, the news around the economy and consumer confidence and the tariffs again and again is why the market is kind of reacting and low today. And it's just, a lot of that fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So, yep, that is the quick, simple answer. I even have my buddy Jason back there lit up because I do that when it's red, when the market's red. He's just slashing down the crypto market and the stock market. But that is the simple answer. Like it or not, it is still the tariff talk. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping in. Check out maybe some more of my videos. And if this is your first time, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. And catch you guys on the next one. Peace.